Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge. Level 15. The goal for this level is to obtain the password for the next level, which can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to port 30001 on localhost using SSL encryption. Let's head over to the terminal. We first want to have our current password at hand. I store this locally. Now, the difference between the previous level and the current level is that we need our connection to use SSL encryption. So we won't use the nc command, but we will use the Openssl command. Openssl can be used for various purposes, but we will use it for the SSL client and server tests. The command we will use will be this one, the S-client, which implements an SSL client, which will be our computer, which can then establish a connection to a remote server speaking SSL, which will be the OverTheWire server. Now, the manual pages don't specify all the options we need. They indicate that in this section they describe some common options, but to have all the options for a specific command, we need to use the help option. So we will do just that. The part of our command we know already is we type the -help option. And here we got a lot more information. We see how we need to use the command. Our host will be localhost. Our port will be 30001. The option we will use will be to connect. So our full command will be the following. Now we copy and paste our current password. We hit enter, and we just obtained the password. There is a second way in which we can obtain our password. Similar to the last level, we will use the echo command for this. We will use a pipeline to redirect the output of this command to the Openssl command. However, this approach requires an extra option, because if we just execute it like this, we didn't obtain the password. Because when the password from this command gets redirected and Openssl sends it, it will automatically close the connection. But we don't want this. We want the connection to stay open to wait for the server response. So to do this, we will specify the following option. Congratulations, we just obtained our password again. We want to log out by either typing logout, exit, or hitting Ctrl-D. We log in to the next level with the password we just obtained. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 15, we type the reachal command. Now that everything is successfully synchronized, let's head over to the reachal website to verify. We update. Congratulations on completing level 15. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.